Welcome everybody. It is Crypto Moose and it's time to get loose. Mitchell Bouchard, your crypto and NFT investor. Guys, we have incredible news. USDC is coming to Cardano in the form of USDCx. Guys, this is awesome. I want to play a quick video first to get things started. Before we do that though, guys, like, comment, subscribe, hit up the link tree. You guys know what to do. But guys, let me know down below, how excited are you about this? For me, I'm a 9 out of 10 excited. There's always got to be that change with Cardano, right? Like adding the X on USDC. It's fine. We'll go over it a little bit in this video. So we're going to start things off with a quick video from Charles's channel where he announced this. So the moose is not going to get loose. The moose is going to shut up for a minute and just play this video. So guys, we're going to play 3 minutes and 19 seconds of this. You guys will understand as you watch this. So for me, I'm pumped. I'm very pumped about this.
Hi, this is Charles Hoskinson broadcasting live from warm, sunny Fukuoka over here in Japan on the Japan tour. We're about 3 cities in. We were in Hokkaido. It was a heck of a lot of work to get there, heck of a lot of work to get out of there because the storms were just terrible, 2 meters of snow. And then we went to Osaka, and it was very good to see a lot of old friends, some people from the early days of Cardano. And we just got into Fukuoka today. While we're on the road, we're still working hard, and the Pentad was in deep negotiations. And I'm very pleased to announce, as I announced on Twitter, that USDCx is coming to Cardano. Circle's tough negotiator, and then they really do care about their business, and they're consummate professionals, and they were very good at representing their interests. And the people at the Pentad very good at representing ours. And what we've been able to do is secure what Circle does for non-EVM chains. So USDCx is basically the same asset. And how it works is there's a one-to-one reserve. And so for the non-EVM chains like Stacks and Aleo and others, there's a mirroring effect that occurs. And then dApp developers under the hood can build a bunch of stuff in. And then it's easy through their network to access the same liquidity as USDC. So effectively, it's what we need. People were asking for a long time to get a Tier-1 stablecoin to Cardano. This is how you do it. And now we're here. So we have access to Circle's network, Circle's protocol, Circle's technology, and the great liquidity of the Circle network as a whole, and the added privacy benefits of USDC, X, and all the technologies therein. They've really thought about their ecosystem. They've done a lot of hard work to build out their ecosystem and go above and beyond where they started, and as just a simple asset in the Ethereum world. And now they're one of the dominant stablecoin providers. There's 2 of them. And we're really proud to finally bring that entire ecosystem into the Cardano ecosystem. Yeah, we're not done. There's a lot more with the Pentad to announce. We're in deep negotiations with some bridges and other stable coins as well in the same character and nature. And we have to make sure that we get USDCx integrated into all of the Cardano applications. And so there's a seamless user experience and a seamless user experience with exchanges. So you can go from USDC and back without any additional steps or work. Just a little bit more integration on our side, but not too much. And this is not something that's 6 months out. Ink is on paper, deal is signed. I think the integration should be in short order. That's one of the advantages of this new USDCx is fast integration time. It doesn't require a ton of custom work to get working with Cardano because they've already done these types of things with Aleo and Stacks. So we are very excited to see that come on in.
All right, guys, so that is what I wanted to play. A lot of information there. We probably could have played the whole, 9-10 minutes of this, or 7 minutes of the video. This is incredible news. The only real, I wouldn't call it a concern, but the only thing is, like, again, adding the X in there. It's like, why not just have USDC on Cardano? We could have the right asset ID number, but it's really about interoperability. In general, I mean, this is going to be as Charles said in the video, it's a one-to-one pegged to the US dollar stablecoin. So it's backed by real world reserves and it's legit. This is legit. So, I mean, just taking a look at the macro of this is bullish news, not only for future liquidity to come into Cardano, but when you guys feel like we're at the peak of the market, right? If you want to get into yield farming, things like that, I think all in all for DeFi, this is a good step forward. So I do applaud Charles on that. I was working on a previous video, and the biggest lack in ADA, it has always been the stablecoin, right? So the stablecoin missing has been the biggest lack, right? So to give you guys some perspective as well, right now we are Monday, February 2nd of 2026. Obviously, the market had a huge meltdown as of recently. Ethereum down upwards of 20%. ADA was just kicked to the curb. What were we at? Like 29 cents. But we're getting swift recovery, so I'm not concerned at all. Did I expect it to go down this much from, I believe it was a plus $3 trillion market cap to a 2.6? No, I didn't expect that. But regardless, just focusing on USDC, that is the premier stablecoin. So the fact that we're now going to have that in the form of USDCx, you guys comment down below. Do you guys like the X thing? I think it's fine as long as it's done properly. It sounds like it's going to be very interoperable. I'm hoping that Midnight embraces it pretty quickly as well. Actually, let's take a look at the Night token. I haven't even looked at that price in a while. You guys let me know. What are your exact thoughts on USDC, on Cardano? I just think it's a great move all across the board. And Charles seems very enthusiastic about it. I like and I appreciate that he's been more cooperative, right? He seems to be much more of a better, well-rounded, all-around leader in the space. So this is a big deal. I believe today at 1 p.m., I don't know if it's probably not Canadian time, but I believe they're working on, what is it? I think they're talking about yields. It could be stablecoin related in the US. So, and I'm talking about in terms of legislation. So they're bringing in, Coinbase, the Brian Armstrong, some of those other guys to really talk about some of the infrastructure bills. I believe that's going on today. So this is great. So this is only a few days old in terms of news. Looks like Midnight's kind of kicking butt, I think. I mean, to consider the fact it very quickly went to $1 billion market cap and it stayed at an appropriate level, like 4 to 6 cents. That's been great. I'm pretty sure it peaked at like 9 cents. So Moose thought he was going to get all rich there for a minute. We're going to have to take a look at some other videos and whatnot. Actually, what we're going to do, I will invite you to the link tree. So guys, do that. If you guys do want to redeem your night, you guys can watch the other videos on this channel. So we will pop that up. Let's go to the Crypto Moose channel here. So let's take a look. Yeah, we'll just turn off some audio here. But if you guys do go under videos, we have a bunch of content. Dinette, I have another video going out. But anything Cardano, anything night related, that's what this channel is all about. So going forward, we're going to have a bunch of content. So we have this space for that. I'm going to be rolling out more tutorials, everything and anything to do with your hardware wallets. We've got another Tantrum ring on the way. The Moose lost his, so You know, the moose got divorced to crypto, but he's going to get married again. So we're going to do it. How many marriages is a moose going to go through in crypto? Right now, it feels like a divorce, right? I lost 1/3 of my, well, I'd probably lose half of my income if I got a divorce. But anyways, guys, I think that USDCx coming to Cardano is a bright step forward. Right now, there's just no trust in a quality stable coin, right? This is going to be a big deal. It's a big deal, especially for DeFi. I'm sure ViFi, I'm going to have to talk to them, do another interview. But that's going to be a big thing, right? If you're going to do things like yield farming, you typically want to pair an unstable asset with something that's a little more stable. Just all across the board. This is big, right? We're getting into, we're getting into a future where not only is the internet faster, but not only is the blockchain growing, but the interoperability, right? We are really in the year of interoperability where these blockchains are communicating to one another, right? Where we're getting more use cases, and it's all happening with AI and it's accelerating, right? And the more we go on, the more it becomes legit. Like, for example, I know it's completely unrelated for the most part, but you look at Pokemon, you look at art, you look at different kind of like sports cards. They are becoming a quality asset, right? Because they've been around for so long. You can see these things happening, right? So do not, in my opinion, right, not financial advice, I would not be hindered at all by the current state of the market. This is an opportunity. Crisis always equals opportunity in crypto. Everybody wants to buy when Bitcoin's at all-time highs. Nobody wants to buy right now. This is your opportunity. I talked about it when ADA was at 25 cents. It went up to $1, then back down a little bit. So really think about this. Think about long-term. What do you want 5 years from now? Do not be scared. That's all I got for you. This is a massive day, a massive step forward. I'm very excited about this. Very excited about it. It's going to go under the radar a little bit. Nobody gets excited about stablecoins for the most part. There's going to be no 100x on your stablecoin investment, but I guarantee you this is a good step forward. So cheers, everybody.